Welcome back to my channel, guys. So these are the complete look of the nails we're going to be working on. I am going to be focusing this video around showing you guys beginner encapsulation. So this is just the way that I encapsulate, or how to encapsulate. Very beginner friendly, as I will be leaving this in real time for the very most part. And yeah, so we're just gonna jump right in. So I've already gone ahead, primed and prepped my nail, and as you can see, I'm working really wet on this first bead. I would typically set my first bead about where I just put that one there, but I went ahead actually and put the bead up a little higher on the natural nail just because I was doing forms, and I like to give the free edge of the nail some additional thickness before I actually go ahead and begin to place the rest of the bead that is going to create the, length of the nail. So again, I am just, working that second bead down, and that second bead, as you can see, I'm just slowly just cleaning up those edges there, as well as creating the shape, which I'm going for a coffin shape. So I'm starting to just set my nail up for that shape. So I'm just going to clean my brush and then go in with another bead. Now this is going to be my third bead, which I'm going to be bringing up a lot closer to the cuticle without flooding the cuticle. I am just very slowly here. I left it in real time so you can see how I save, myself when that acrylic there is, maybe running off to the side or hasn't set. And I've already put it down onto the nail. And so the point there that I want to drive home, guys, is just to make sure that you clean up your work. If you work fast enough, you'll be able to save yourself from any of those little mistakes that you all might see. Again, I am just trying to make sure that my bead is right up to the cuticle without actually touching my client's skin, because in that case, you will experience lifting. All right. So again, I'm just using the body of my brush to make sure that my foundation is really nice and clean before I begin to go ahead and actually add in the large pieces of glitter that I'm going to encapsulate today. I'm just doing some extra work there on the body of the nail, which you'll see before I actually, begin adding in that glitter, as you can see me doing there. So I was going for like a shooting star effect, so I am just simply placing that glitter across the nail. You can, do this in any way that you would like. This is just the effect I was going for with this set. You can encapsulate pretty much anything as long as it's safe for yourself and your client, But yeah, as you can see here, I'm just going ahead there and putting that glitter into my liking. And then when I am done with that, I am just going to go ahead and cap. I'm not going to, waste you guys' time with too much talking here, because you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and fade into the background and enjoy this with you guys. And I'll jump in, when there's anything I need to let you all know. See me add in here just a very, very small bead that has a little opacity to it. It's a little bit of a color. It's some Young Nails earth mixed in there. I just wanted to give the natural nail bed a bit of a boost of color there, as opposed to the tip of the nail, which is going to be just very clear. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and capping in my design there. And you can just take note of the fact that I'm working pretty wet. And this is because I do not want to have to roughly, force my bead down to cap in my design, or my glitter in this case. I really just want this to sort of very naturally fall over the nail so that, we don't get, a patchy looking clear nail in the end. And I just want this, encapsulation to just be very, very flush and very, very natural. So I'm just going to let that acrylic fall where it does, and then just going to simply use the body of my brush to pat this acrylic down and distribute it evenly.
The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
So this here is pretty much my encapsulated nail that I have not yet filed or buffed. I'm actually not going to do that on camera. If you guys would like me to capture like this full process start to finish, then you can just go ahead and leave that down below in the comments. Or if you would like a full video on me actually completing a set like this, just let me know down below. You know, or if you guys have any suggestions, comments, all those things, let me know down below. The rest of the video will be pretty much just dedicated to me top coating this set. This was a freestyle birthday bitch set that I did for my client. If you guys would like a video again on any of the nails that you see here, or you know, on a set just like this one, then let me know again. Or you know, if you guys missed that video I did on how to create your own custom acrylic, like the one you see here that I am top coating now, just go back on my channel. I'm going to be working on getting a lot more content uploaded here for you guys. Just bear with me. And one more thing I want to mention before I go is here in this particular part of the video, you'll see me top coating a nail that I went ahead and put stones on. And just take note that you see that I am top coating only up to the line of the stones. Do not put top coat over your stones, guys. It is going to be a very nasty, foggy, disgusting mess. So, yeah, that's just one little tip I wanted to mention there. And, yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I'll probably jump back in maybe for a second when it comes to the nail that we encapsulated earlier on in this video. But that is all I have for you guys. I want to just let you guys go ahead and enjoy this without all the unnecessary chatting. So thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us.
Here's that nail that I was encapsulating earlier on in the video with the form. This twinkling shining star here. Our shooting star nail. So I'm just top coating here again, like you saw me do to the other nails. I'm sorry that this angle is so poor. I will be working on getting my camera, you know, my tripod there set up so that you guys are able to get a full view and, you know, get more of the full picture. So bear with me as I figure this all out, you guys. Thank you very much. And yeah, all right, I'm gone again. Thanks for watching.